Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you today how to test to see if one glute is stronger than the other. What we do is lie on our back, we raise up our hips, making sure we're not feeling this in the low back. Make sure that you can feel it in the glutes. We're just going to lift up to see if our pelvis stays level and that we can hold this position. Okay, let's assume that my pelvis, if I lift it up with my left leg, dips down like that. That's obvious instability, and we need to stabilize it. We can stabilize that by just doing this. If you can't do it at first, you can start a little bit lower, but we definitely want to build up to here where we have full control and stability of our pelvis. Then you can start to work strength. Now, the actual test for comparing your glutes is going to be doing reps like this, okay? Make sure your heel is close to your butt, otherwise your hamstrings are going to take over. Make sure that when you come on up, you don't go up too high where you feel it in the low back. If you need to, you can use a dumbbell underneath your knee. Otherwise, this is what we're doing. You can do as many reps as you can on one side compared to the other side. If you have a deficit one side versus the other side, then you have to work the weak side. If you don't do that, it can limit your strength in exercises like hip lifts, pull-throughs, or deadlifts. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.